In this video, we're going to talk about how to determine the meaning of a statement for something that's been written in function notation. And to do so, we're going to use an example. So our example says, let n of t be the number of DVDs you have in your collection after t trips to the video store, and to explain the meaning of each of the statements. So let's begin by remembering that it's saying after, right? So after 0 trips to the store, you have 8 DVDs. And that's what our n of 0 equals 8 is saying. So after 0 trips to the store, you have 8 DVDs. Go ahead and try letter B on your own, since it's very similar to letter A. Push pause, and then when you're finished, push play, and let's see if you're correct. Here, it's telling us that after 3 trips to the video store, you have 14 DVDs. Let's take a look at letter C, as it's a little bit different because now we have an inequality symbol there. It is telling us that our n of 5 is greater than n of 3. So what might that mean? Because we know that n of 5 means how many DVDs we have after we've been to the store 5 times, and that our n of 3 is the number of DVDs we have after we've been to the store 3 times. Here we can say that this means that the number of DVDs you have after 5 trips to the video store is more than the number you have after 3 trips to the video store. Take a look at letter D. Here we're using subtraction, so we have n of 7 minus n of 2 equals 10. So the number of DVDs you have after 7 trips to the store minus the number of DVDs you have after 2 trips to the store means that you have 10 DVDs. So here we're saying that basically we've purchased 10 DVDs, and it means you have 10 DVDs. So that means that on the 3rd trip, the 4th trip, the 5th trip, the 6th trip, and the 7th trip, if you add up all the DVDs you bought, you would have 10 DVDs just from those trips.